Cartoon-style AI voices are becoming super popular for YouTube animations, TikTok videos, gaming content, and funny social media clips. And with ElevenLabs, you can create unique character-style voices without needing professional voice actors. So in this guide, I'll show you how to create cartoon voices with ElevenLabs step by step. First, open the ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll have access to the voice generation tools. Now go to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create and customize your cartoon-style voiceovers. And honestly, the most entertaining cartoon voices usually come from creative scripts and exaggerated delivery. Yeah, don't be afraid to experiment with emotions, funny reactions, and unique character personalities. And that's your full guide on how to create cartoon voices with ElevenLabs. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to build fun and unique AI character voices for your content.